Hi guys, this is Isa from PrintStick in another video, and I did my hair. What do you guys think? Like it? You don't? Anyway, so today I will show you how I decorate my portrait blackout planner available at the shop. I'm gonna leave a link for that down below. So this video is going to be a little different because since you have black pages, then you need to use lighter colors, white for example. So I'm going to decorate my page and I'm just going to speed up the process so you can see everything I did in a short video. I will use photos. If you already have photos on your iPad, then you can use those. And I will use the widgets only because the planner has the option to add them at the top. Otherwise, you don't really need anything else other than the pen tool in GoodNotes and the option to add photos. So let's get started. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to PrintStick's channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any tutorials and digital planning related videos that I upload. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. I'm deciding if I like it, if it looks good, or if I look really, really old. I think it's fine. I don't know. What do you guys think? Alright, bye.